Project messages. Project messages allow you to quickly and easily fix up any problems in a project and review important information relevant to the project. Project messages are automatically created and managed by the program. If there are any project messages present, you will immediately be able to see and refer to them by looking in the bottom right-hand corner of the window here. This will display how many of each type there are. Project messages come in 3 different flavors: error messages, warning messages, and information messages. Error messages are used to identify any errors that need to be resolved within the project and will stop calculations from being run. This can include any unfinished items or group resources, invalid formula, or project settings that aren't viable. Warning messages are the way the program calls things to your attention for review, but they may not necessarily be wrong. For example, there may be an item with a sell rate lower than the estimated rate, but that may be a deliberate choice by the estimator. Information messages allow you to review relevant information about the project, including items on the to-do list which are not yet done. Neither warning nor information messages will stop calculations from being run. In many instances, you'll be able to double-click on the magnifying glass here to navigate instantly to the source. We can see that problem highlighted here. As you can see, once you've reviewed and corrected any error messages, calculations are able to be run. You also want to make sure you're reviewing any warnings or information messages. But wait, there's more. In Project Properties, you can use the Project Message Settings tab to customize how and what project messages are displayed. For example, you can customize project messages so that certain messages that are by default errors are only raised as information messages, or that warning messages are instead raised as error messages, or not at all. This window lists out every possible project message for base resources, cash flow, code sets, cost estimates, and so on. You can change the level simply by clicking here. Like any other grid, you can use the filter key here on the level column to easily see which project messages are set by default to Do Not Raise. Here's a valuable bonus tip. If you have a particular set of settings that you want to repeat across projects, consider setting up the project message settings in a template project, which all new created projects are based on. Once customized, you can click on Save to save the changes. And that's an introduction to project messages and using the project message settings window to customize how your project messages are displayed. For more information, see the knowledge base articles linked below this video. If you have any further questions, we'd love to hear from you. We're here 24/7 on our support number or via email. Contact us today. We look forward to helping you.